How to move your mobile contacts to your Gmail account. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you some simple steps by which you can move your mobile contacts to your Gmail account. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, open up your Gmail account, select the account itself, then tap on Manage Your Account. Once the Google account menu opens up, swipe on the top prompt until you find the option called People and Sharing. Here you need to scroll down until you find the option called Contact Info from your devices. Simply tap on it and toggle the option on. Once you do so, you can go to the link called Google Accounts. It is available on the bottom. Simply tap on it and then you'll be redirected to Google Contacts. Here, after that, scroll back to your home page and go to your contacts. Go to the settings option, then tap on export to storage. After that, tap on OK and then your contacts will be exported to your storage. After you've done so, go back to the Google Contacts page. Here tap on the import contacts option, then tap on select file. After that, you need to tap on the option for media picker. Once you do so, your media picker will open up and then you need to select the option that ends with VCF. After you do so, select the import option and then the contacts will start importing. And there you go. That is how you import your mobile contacts onto your Gmail account. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.